base method of division by substitution method. So base method only will apply, but in case if any divisor is tough to calculate in the quotient last remainder place, so we have one alternate substitution method that I'll explain here. So previous three chapters you must know thoroughly first of all. Then based on that, what substitute we can apply in this, let me show you with one example. Right. Let us take one example. Show the both the methods: base method, normal, previous what we did. Again, alternate substitute methods. Okay. Take the question. Divide. Same problem. Let us do the two methods. We'll get clear idea. Okay. 10030. That is 10,030. This divided by 827. By seeing the question, you must know what base it is. By 827, no, 3 digit. So you have an idea that is base 1000, 3 zeros. Now the two methods, let us see in this case. Normally first case is the difference, 1000 and 827. 1000 minus 827, that is 173. You can check it. 27 to 900 is 73 plus 100. 170 is the difference. Base minus this divisor. 173 is the difference. You should note down this first of all. Then next step is 10030. Just I'm giving some gap to show clear idea. 3 zeros. So 3 decimal places. Right. Then same as usual. First we should supposed to take this 1 down. 1 as is right. 1 into 173. That is 173. Next place 0 plus 1 is 1. Again 1 into 173. You can write here 173. The RHS you can do addition as usual. 3 and 13, 1 carry extra. So 9. Finally we got 11 and 933. But 933 is more than this divisor. In these cases you will need to take extra one more step. This normal method. Okay, that is we supposed to take 933 minus this 827, you have to subtract. Okay, 13 minus 7, 6, 1, so 106. This calculation should be done extra. So this must be here 106. That extra one will add to this plus 1. So 12. Now 12 is the quotient and 106 is the remainder. This is actually extra step we are following. Now when you do this substitution method is just we take this 827 as is. Now this 827 and after subtracting the difference is 170, right? Previous difference is 173. So here only we can do small calculation. 173 is next round figure is 200. From 200 again next round figure, how much you can subtract to get 170, 30. 200 minus 30 is 170, but this 173 plus 3. This calculation should be done internally in mind. Now this we can write in simple manner: 2 minus 3 and plus 3. Okay, there is no number sign before the number. Imagine it's a plus. Plus 2 minus 3 plus 3. This is calculate in mind and just note down the side. Instead of taking 173, we are supposed to take 2 minus 3, 3. This is only small extra change. So 2 minus 3 and 3. Don't think it is a 2 minus 33. 2 minus 3, 3. Okay, that way you can keep in mind. Instead of taking 173, this I am taking. But you have to think in mind 2 minus 3 plus 3. Right. Now the same pattern. That is question is 10030. Right. So here is, keep the line and same way you can take. First one is as it is. 1 into this 2 minus 3, 3. Same. 1 into 2 is 2. 1 into minus 3. Minus 3 here. Again 1 into 3 is 3. Individual digits. Or just keep in mind like this. 2 comma minus 3 comma 3. Next 0 plus 2 is 2. Take this 2 into 2 again here. 4. 2 into minus 3. Minus 6 right? 2 into 3 is 6. We can do addition in this right side. 0 plus 6 is 6. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 minus 6, 0. Minus 3 plus 4, 1. Right? Exactly got you observe here, 106. So quotient is 12 and remainder is 106. Only the thing is, this step you have to create according to the number. It's simple. 173 is the difference. Round figure of the next number. 200 minus next round figure is 30. But 170 it becomes. Next extra adding 3. Right? Let me show you one more example. You'll get clear idea. Same pattern will follow. Now instead of normal method, directly substitution method I'll show here. For example, question is divide. Let us take 10,000 by 819. So the normal difference is according to difference base is 1000, right? 1000 minus 819, so 221. 819, no, okay, this 181. 1000 is the base. 819 if we subtract, that is 181. 19 extra 81 to 900, again extra 100, 181. Okay, so now this 181 we need, suppose, right, next number, that is 200. From 200 how much you can subtract from 181? Minus 20 means it's become 180 plus 1. So this you can think 2 comma minus 2 comma plus 1. 200 minus 20 plus 1, but 2 minus 2 plus 1. Okay, so instead of difference, this pattern you can take 2 minus 2 and 1. This all calculate in mind only, not of writing these many steps. Right, now the question is 10,000. Account the method. Here is the line and this. Right. Next, this 1 is as it is. 1 into 2. 2. Again 1 into minus 2 is minus 2. 1 into 1 is 1. Step is over. Next 0 plus 2 is 2. 2 into 2. 4. Again 2 into minus 2. Minus 4. 2 into 1 is 2. Right. Then you can do addition this side. So 2 as it is. 1 minus 3. 1 minus 4. No, minus 3. Minus 2 plus 4 is 2. So 2 minus 3, 2 we got. Now this is nothing but again 200 minus 30 plus 2. 200 minus 30 is 170 plus 2, 172. Again recalculating in case if we get negative in here. So 172 is the remainder, 12 is the quotient. Okay, this is only substitution, alternate for the base. In case base method, if you are facing difficult when the what is remainder, if you're getting more than the divisor, you're facing difficult, in that case you can apply this, right? And these all the sums are mostly close to the base. In case if any number is not close to the base, for example, okay, divide 1112 by 33. 1112 by 33. In this case, what we can do? Now, just instead of dividing with 33 directly, calculate in mind internally into 3. That becomes 99. Now, take 99 and do the calculation first. Actually, we are supposed to divide with 33. 33 if you multiply with 3, 99. Coming close to the base, right? So, difference is 1. Instead of dividing with 33, take the 99. So I count that difference is 1. The question is 1112, right? Then because of base 10, here is the gap, 2 digits from RHS. Same method. First 1 as it is, 1 into 1. So this is actually 0, 1 because of 2 digits. So 1 into 0, 1 is 0, 1. Next 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 into 0, 1 is again 0, 1. That is 23 by adding. Next step, the quotient is 11 and remainder is 23. This is not final answer. We multiply with 3, right? So same 3 can multiply for this quotient. This becomes 33 and 23 as it is. So 33 is the quotient and 23 is the remainder. How much we multiplied here? Same number should multiply here last. In case the numbers are not close to the base, even you can apply this concept to do the divisions.